The third exhibition game is regarded around the NFL as the most important test of the NFL preseason. In this dress rehearsal, it's common for first-string players to get the most playing time they'll see until Week 1. It was on this week, just as in 2016. The Vikings opened the doors to U.S. Bank Stadium for the first time of the season.
Happy Sunday, everybody, and welcome to Minneapolis and U.S. Bank Stadium. It's the third preseason game.
The Purple had a primetime stage to host the 49ers on Sunday. NBC's national broadcast invited the entire nation to take part in the game, a crew that returned to Minnesota for the first time since Week 2 of the 2016 regular season.
What a buzz in downtown Minneapolis, Minnesota tonight as U.S. Bank Stadium opens its doors to its first regular season game. Robinson is back in the game. Rodgers throws, and it's intercepted. It is picked up by Trey Waynes.
Trey Waynes, you just keep fighting, right, boss? There you go.
The Minnesota Vikings start the U.S. Bank Stadium era with a hard-fought victory over their border rivals, the Green Bay Packers.
It was the first opportunity for many new Vikings to play in front of their home crowd in U.S. Bank Stadium. This included veterans Riley Reiff and Latavius Murray, who lined up against an opposing team for the first time since the 2016 season.
Trailing by 14, play action, straight drop from under center, dumps over the middle, caught Latavius Murray, angles out to the left of the 25, Latavius Murray.
I don't care how long you've played the game of football, when you're coming off ankle surgery, as Murray is, and you catch that first pass and you're running through there and you're just wondering how this is going to feel when I get hit. And I can't tell you how big a feeling of relief it probably is for Latavius Murray to have that one over with.
It was a slow start for the Vikings against an eager 49ers team. Costly mistakes on both sides of the ball put the home team behind early.
All right, let's go now, let's go.
With ground to make up in the second half, the Vikings were able to establish a bit of momentum in all three phases of the game.
Look out as the ball comes loose, and then it's picked off at the 34-yard line, and then Exum winds up with it, and Minnesota has it deep in San Francisco territory. 58-yarder. And Kane's kick is good.
If there really is a battle between Kai Forbath and Marshall Kane, I mean, Kane just did himself some favors, didn't he?
He really did, and like you said, that's 58 yards.
This will be the seventh play of a drive. A little sling sidearm, and breaking the tackle and getting into the end zone is Rodney Adams.
Got it out for the touchdown. What a heck of a play. Nice finish there as well by Rodney Adams, the rookie.
McKinnon far side to the 5, to the 10, to the 15, to the 20, speeds to the 30. Oh, he shakes on Robbie Gould, and there goes Jerick McKinnon, 40, 30, 20, 10, 107, touchdown! Jerick McKinnon with a kick return touchdown of 107 yards, and all of a sudden, we have a shootout at U.S. Bank Stadium.
The home team trailed for nearly the entire game, but a strong push late in the game set the table for a dramatic come-from-behind victory.
Here it is, preseason game 3 is on the line, trailing by 7. Hit at the goal line, surges for a touchdown! It's a newbie touchdown!
Shermer signaling going for 2.
And Heineke's gonna be chased out. Can he get into the end zone? He can! And the Vikings win the game.
Ended just as it should.
Although the last-second victory improved the Vikings' preseason record to 2-1, head coach Mike Zimmer was not impressed with his team's performance early on.
It was good to the end of the game there and be able to come back from 2 scores and work some of the situations that we've been working in practice. But we didn't play good enough tonight. Got a lot of work to do. try and get back on track and try and get this thing turned around.